Climatology, UPSC Prelims Previous Year Questions 1979 to 2024. Question 1. Year 1979. Less dew is formed on cloudy nights because Option A. Clouds absorb the falling dew. Option B. Clouds scatter moisture. Option C. In cloudy nights the radiation takes place very slowly. Option D. In cloudy nights the radiation takes place very quickly. Question 2. Year 1979. The winter rain in Madras is caused by Option A. Southwest monsoons. Option B. Northeast monsoons. Option C. Intense land and sea breezes. Option D. Cyclonic winds in the Bay of Bengal. Question 3. Year 1980. Doldrums refer to Option A. A belt of calm and light variable winds near the equator. Option B. A particular area in the center of the Pacific Ocean. Option C. The region of the upper atmosphere extending upward from the tropopause to about 20 kilometers above the Earth. Option D. None of these. Question 4. Year 1981. Humidity of the air, Option A, increases with the increase in atmospheric temperature. Option B, decreases with the increase in atmospheric temperature. Option C, is not affected by the change in atmospheric temperature. Option D, does not show any consistent behavior with the change in atmospheric temperature. Question 5. Year 1982. North India gets rainfall due to Option A. Northern cold winds. Option B. Southwest monsoons. Option C. Northeast monsoons. Option D. Western disturbances. Question 6. Year 1983. Which of the following is not correct? Option A. Doldrums, equatorial low-pressure zone. Option B. Hurricane, a wind having a mean velocity of less than 100 kilometers per hour. Option C. Newmore Island, India. Option D. Alluvium, Rann of Kutch. Question 7. Year 1984. Trade winds are caused by the Option A. Revolution of the Earth. Option B. Rotation of the Earth. Option C. Inflowing movement of air along the Earth's surface towards the equator. Option D. None of the above. Question 8. Year 1984. Isohyates are the lines drawn on a map connecting points having Option A. Equal temperature. Option B. Equal height. Option C. Equal atmospheric pressure. Option D. Equal rainfall. Question 9. Year 1984. Arrange the following 3 atmospheric layers starting from the surface of the Earth. A. Stratosphere. B. Ionosphere. C. Troposphere. Option A, B, C. Option B, C, A, B. Option C, A, C, B. Option D, C, B, A. Question 10. Year 1984. What does Roaring Forties refer to? Option A. The tract of stormy westerly winds between latitudes 20 to 30 degrees south. Option B. Whirlwinds caused in the Atlantic Ocean. Option C. The region between latitudes 40 and 50 degrees south, where the prevailing westerly winds blow over the open oceans with great regularity and strength. Option D. None of these. Question 11. Year 1986. The areas in India that receive approximately an average of more than 200 centimeters of rainfall annually are option A, Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Option C, Meghalaya, Assam, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir. Option D, Meghalaya, Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan. Question 12. Year 1987. Find the odd one out. Option A, Grishma. Option B, Sisira. Option C, Maga. Option D, Sharad. Question 13. Year 1987. Insulation refers to option A, restraining the flow of electric current. Option B, restraining the flow of water. Option C, exposure to the rays of the sun. Option D, exposure to the light. Question 14. Year 1987. Of the total water on the Earth, freshwater reserves constitute approximately option A, 1.2%. Option B, 2.7%. Option C, 4.5%. Option D, 5.8%. Question 15. Year 1987. Punjab and Haryana receive rainfall from option A, westerly disturbances. Option B, cyclones in the Bay of Bengal. Option C, both of the above. Option D, none of the above. Question 16. Year 1988. Fog is common around Newfoundland coast because option A, icebergs melt around the coast. Option B, warm and cold currents meet. Option C, the rainfall is heavy. Option D, high tides cause storms. Question 17. Year 1988. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Option A, isoplough, a line joining places of equal height. Option B, isobar, a line joining places of equal pressure. Option C, isohyet, a line joining places of equal rainfall. Option D, isotherm, a line joining places of equal temperature. Question 18. Year 1989. Assertion A, rainfall is scanty on the east of the Western Ghats. Reason R, the east of the Western Ghats is on the lee side. Option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, but R is false. Option D, A is false, but R is true. Question 19. Year 1989. Assertion A, most of the hot deserts are present on the western margin of the continents close to the zones of trade winds. Reason R, zones of trade winds are characterized by seas having reversal of planetary wind direction. Option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, but R is false. Option D, A is false, but R is true. Question 20. Year 1989. The climate of India is of which of the following types? Option A, monsoonal. Option B, Mediterranean. Option C, tropical. Option D, savanna. Question 21. Year 1990. Assertion A, the southern half of India lies within the tropics and the northern half belongs to the warm temperate zone. Reason R, the Tropic of Cancer runs almost halfway through India. Option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, but R is false. Option D, A is false, but R is true. Question 22. Year 1991. Which of the following statements about the monsoon in India is incorrect? Option A, southwest monsoon winds are onshore winds. Option B, northeast monsoon is offshore winds. Option C, the monsoons retreat gradually. Option D, the onset of the monsoon is from West Bengal only. Question 23. Year 1991. Which one of the following winds is not a planetary wind? Option A, trade. Option B, westerly. Option C, polar easterly. Option D, monsoon. Question 24. Year 1991. Rainfall on the east coast of Tamil Nadu occurs during October to November due to Option A, winter monsoon. Option B, retreating southwest monsoon. Option C, northwest monsoon. Option D, local winds. Question 25. Year 1992. Deserts such as the Sahara are generally found between 20 and 30-degree latitudes in the western parts of the continents. This is because these regions: Option A, have offshore winds throughout the year. Option B, have warm offshore currents. Option C, lie in the belt of the doldrums. Option D, are very hot throughout the year. Question 26. Year 1992. Water cycle refers to Option A, an integrated attempt to recycle water in relatively arid regions. Option B, constant movement of water from ocean to land and back to ocean again. Option C, scientific management of water in areas excessively plagued with waterlogging. Option D, planning of water distribution in relatively dry areas. Question 27. Year 1993. Which among the following pairs of places have the most marked difference in total rainfall per annum even though located approximately along the same latitude? Option A, Bangalore and Madras. Option B, Bombay and Visakhapatnam. Option C, Ajmer and Shillong. Option D, Nagpur and Calcutta. Question 28. Year 1993. A rainy day, as defined by the Indian Meteorological Department, is a day when the rainfall at a point received is Option A, 0.5 millimeters to 1 millimeter in 24 hours. Option B, 1.1 millimeters to 1.5 millimeters in 24 hours. Option C, 1.6 millimeters to 2 millimeters in 24 hours. Option D, above 2.5 millimeters in 24 hours. Question 29. Year 1994. Assertion A, the monsoonal rainfall decreases as one goes towards the west and northwest in the Ganga Plain. Reason R, the moisture-bearing monsoonal winds go higher up as one moves up in the Ganga Plain. Option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Question 30. Year 1995. Willy is Option A, a type of tree grown in temperate regions. Option B, a wind that blows in a desert. Option C, a tropical cyclone of northwest Australia. Option D, a kind of common fish found near Laccadives Islands. Question 31. Year 1995. Assertion A. Areas near the equator receive rainfall throughout the year. Reason R. High temperatures and high humidity cause convectional rain in most afternoons near the equator. Option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true, but R is false. Option D. A is false, but R is true. Question 32. Year 1995. Option A. Troposphere. Option B. Stratosphere. Option C. Mesosphere. Option D. Ionosphere. Which one of the following layers of the atmosphere is responsible for the deflection of radio waves? Question 33. Year 1996. High temperature and low pressure over the Indian subcontinent during the summer season draws air from the Indian Ocean, leading to the inblowing of the Option A. Southeast monsoon. Option B. Southwest monsoon. Option C. Trade winds. Option D. Westerlies. Question 34. Year 1997. Match the following climatic conditions with their reasons. A. Madras is warmer than Calcutta, matched with 1. Northeast monsoon. B. Snowfall in the Himalayas, matched with 2. Altitude. C. Rainfall decreases from West Bengal to Punjab, matched with 3. Western depressions. D. Sutlej-Ganga plain gets some rain in winter, matched with 4. Distance from the sea. And option 5 is latitude. Codes: option A, A1, B2, C4, D5. Option B, A4, B5, C1, D3. Option C, A5, B2, C4, D3. Option D, A5, B1, C3, D4. Question 35. Year 1997. Which one of the following conditions is most relevant for the presence of life on Mars? Option A, atmospheric composition. Option B, thermal conditions. Option C, occurrence of ice caps and frozen water. Option D, occurrence of ozone. Question 36. Year 1997. The January isotherm taken as a basis for dividing India into tropical and subtropical zones is Option A, 21 degrees Celsius. Option B, 18 degrees Celsius. Option C, 12 degrees Celsius. Option A, 21 degrees Celsius. Option B, 18 degrees Celsius. Option C, 12 degrees Celsius. Option D, 15 degrees Celsius. Question 37. Year 1997. Of the 4 shaded areas in the given map, which is characterized by hot dry summers, mild and moist winters, and seasonal reversal of winds? Option A 1, Option B 2. Option C 3, Option D 4. Question 38. Year 1998. The correct sequence of different layers of the atmosphere from the surface of the Earth upwards is: Option A, troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, mesosphere. Option B, stratosphere, troposphere, ionosphere, mesosphere. Option C, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere. Option D, stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, ionosphere. Question 39. Year 1999. Which one of the areas marked as A, B, C, and D in the given figure of the cyclone witnesses heavy torrential short-duration rainfall accompanied by thunderstorms? Option A, A. Option B, B. Option C, C. Option D, D. Question 40. Year 2000. Consider the following statements about the Roaring Forties. Statement 1. They blow uninterrupted in the northern and southern hemispheres. Statement 2. They blow with great strength and constancy. Statement 3. Their direction is generally from northwest to east in the southern hemisphere. Statement 4. Overcast skies, rain, and raw weather are generally associated with them. Which of these statements are correct? Option A, 1, 2, and 3. Option B, 2, 3, and 4. Option C, 1, 3, and 4. Option D, 1, 2, and 4. Question 41. Year 2001. Which one of the following weather conditions is indicated by a sudden fall in barometer reading? Option A, stormy weather. Option B, calm weather. Option C, cold and dry weather. Option D, hot and sunny weather. Question 42. Year 2001. Cloudy nights are warmer compared to clear cloudless nights because clouds, option A, prevent cold waves from the sky from descending on Earth. Option B, reflect the heat given off by the Earth. Option C, produce heat and radiate it towards the Earth. Option D, absorb heat from the atmosphere and send it towards the Earth. Question 43. Year 2001. Match the following local winds with their regions. A. Fen 1. Argentina. B. Saman 2. Kurdistan. C. Santa Ana 3. California. D. Zonda 4. Alps. Codes. Option A, A2, B4, C1, D3. Option B, A4, B2, C3, D1. Option C, A2, B4, C3, D1. Option D, A4, B2, C1, D3. Question 44. Year 2001. Assertion A. Anticyclonic conditions are formed in winter season when atmospheric pressure is high and air temperatures are low. Reason R. Winter rainfall in northern India causes development of anticyclonic conditions. Option A. Both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Question 45. Year 2002. Sun's halo is produced by the refraction of light by Option A, water vapor in stratus clouds. Option B, ice crystals in cirrocumulus clouds. Option C, ice crystals in cirrus clouds. Option D, dust particles in stratus clouds. Question 46. Year 2002. For short-term climatic predictions, which one of the following events, detected in the last decade, is associated with occasional weak monsoon rains in the Indian subcontinent? Option A, La Niña. Option B, movement of jet streams. Option C, El Niño and southern oscillations. Option D, greenhouse effect on the global level. Question 47. Year 2002. Consider the following climatic and geographical phenomena. 1. Condensation. 2. High temperature and humidity. 3. Orography. 4. Vertical wind. Thundercloud development is due to which of these phenomena? Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 2, 3, and 4. Option C, 1, 2, and 4. Option D, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question 48. Year 2002. Assertion A. The surface winds spiral inwards upon the center of the cyclone. Reason R. Air descends in the center of the cyclone. Option A. Both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Question 49. Year 2002. Assertion A. 60 to 65 degree latitudes in both the hemispheres have a low pressure belt instead of high pressure. Reason R. The low pressure areas are permanent over oceans rather than on land. Option A. Both A and R are individually true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Question 50. Year 2002. The average annual temperature of a meteorological station is 26 degrees Celsius, its average annual rainfall is 63 centimeters, and the annual range of temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. The station in question is Option A, Allahabad. Option B, Chennai. Option C, Cherrapunji. Option D, Kolkata. Question 51. Year 2003. Option A. Both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation of. Assertion A. Areas lying within 5 to 8 degrees latitude on either side of the equator receive rainfall throughout the year. Reason R. High temperature and high humidity cause convectional rain to fall mostly in the afternoons near the equator. A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Question 52. Year 2003. Assertion A. The amount of moisture in the atmosphere is related to latitude. Reason R. The capacity to hold moisture in the form of water vapor is related to temperature. Option A. Both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Question 53. Year 2004. Assertion A. The thickness of the atmosphere is maximum over the equator. Reason R. High insolation and strong convection currents occur over the equator. Option A. Both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Question 54. Year 2004. Assertion A. Bangalore receives much higher average annual rainfall than that of Mangalore. Reason R. Bangalore has the benefit of receiving rainfall both from southwest and northeast monsoons. Option A. Both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Question 55. Year 2004. Which one of the following statements is correct? Option A. Cirrus clouds are composed of ice crystals. Option B. Cirrus clouds exhibit a flat base and have the appearance of rising domes. Option C. Cumulus clouds are white and thin, form delicate patches, and give a fibrous and feathery appearance. Option D. Cumulus clouds are classified as high clouds. Question 56. Year 2005. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the given Indian cities in the decreasing order of their normal annual rainfall? Option A. Kochi, Kolkata, Delhi, Patna. Option B. Kolkata, Kochi, Patna, Delhi. Option C. Kochi, Kolkata, Patna, Delhi. Option D. Kolkata, Kochi, Delhi, Patna. Question 57. Year 2005. Assertion A. Wind patterns are clockwise in the northern hemisphere and anti-clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Reason R. The directions of wind patterns in the northern and southern hemispheres are governed by the Coriolis effect. Option A. Both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Question 58. Year 2006. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Length of a terrestrial mile is lesser than that of a nautical mile. Statement 2. Harmattan is a dusty landwind of the East African coast. Statement 3. Greece and Albania form a part of the Iberian Peninsula. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A. 1, 2, and 3. Option B. 2 and 3 only. Option C. 3 only. Option D. 1 only. Question 59. Year 2007. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Either of the two belts over the oceans at about 30 to 35 degrees north and south latitudes is known as horse latitude. Statement 2. Horse latitudes are low-pressure belts. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A. 1 only. Option B. 2 only. Option C. Both 1 and 2. Option D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 60. Year 2008. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The albedo of an object determines its visual brightness when viewed with reflected light. Statement 2. The albedo of Mercury is much greater than the albedo of the Earth. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 61. Year 2009. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. In the world, tropical deserts occur along the western margins of continents within the trade wind belt. Statement 2. In India, the East Himalayan region gets high rainfall from northeast winds. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 62. Year 2010. What causes the wind to deflect toward the left in the southern hemisphere? Option A, temperature. Option B, magnetic field. Option C, rotation of the Earth. Option D, pressure. Question 63. Year 2010. Which one of the following reflects more sunlight as compared to the other three? Option A, sand desert. Option B, paddy cropland. Option C, land covered with fresh snow. Option D, prairie land. Question 64. Year 2010. A new type of El Niño called El Niño Modoki appeared in the news. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Normal El Niño forms in the central Pacific Ocean, whereas El Niño Modoki forms in the eastern Pacific Ocean. Statement 2. Normal El Niño results in diminished hurricanes in the Atlantic Ocean, but El Niño Modoki results in a greater number of hurricanes with greater frequency. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 65. Year 2011. The jet aircraft fly very easily and smoothly in the lower stratosphere. What could be the appropriate explanation? Statement 1. There are no clouds or water vapor in the lower stratosphere. Statement 2. There are no vertical winds in the lower stratosphere. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 66. Year 2011. What could be the main reason or reasons for the formation of African and Eurasian desert belts? Statement 1. It is located in the subtropical high-pressure cells. Statement 2. It is under the influence of warm ocean currents. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 67. Year 2011. A layer in the Earth's atmosphere called ionosphere facilitates radio communication. Why? Statement 1. The presence of ozone causes the reflection of radio waves on Earth. Statement 2. Radio waves have a very long wavelength. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 68. Year 2011. Westerlies in the southern hemisphere are stronger and more persistent than in the northern hemisphere. Why? Statement 1. Southern hemisphere has less landmass as compared to the northern hemisphere. Statement 2. Coriolis force is higher in the southern hemisphere as compared to the northern hemisphere. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 69. Year 2011. La Niña is suspected to have caused recent floods in Australia. How is La Niña different from El Niño? Statement 1. La Niña is characterized by unusually cool ocean temperatures in the equatorial Indian Ocean, whereas El Niño is characterized by unusually warm ocean temperatures in the equatorial Pacific Ocean. Statement 2. El Niño has an adverse effect on the southwest monsoon of India, but La Niña has no effect on the monsoon climate. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 70. Year 2012. Normally, the temperature decreases with the increase in height from the Earth's surface because, Statement 1, the atmosphere can be heated upwards only from the Earth's surface. Statement 2, there is more moisture in the upper atmosphere. Statement 3, the air is less dense in the upper atmosphere. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2, and 3. Question 71. Year 2012. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The duration of the monsoon decreases from southern India to northern India. Statement 2. The amount of annual rainfall in the northern plains of India decreases from east to west. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 72. Year 2013. During a thunderstorm, the thunder in the skies is produced by the, Statement 1, meeting of cumulonimbus clouds in the sky. Statement 2, lightning that separates the nimbus clouds. Statement 3, violent upward movement of air and water particles. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3. Option C, 1 and 3. Option D, none of the above produces the thunder. Question 73. Year 2013. The annual range of temperature in the interior of the continents is high as compared to coastal areas. What is or are the reasons? Statement 1. Thermal difference between land and water. Statement 2. Variation in altitude between continents and oceans. Statement 3. Presence of strong winds in the interior. Statement 4. Heavy rains in the interior as compared to coasts. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question 74. Year 2015. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The winds which blow between 30 degrees north and 60 degrees south latitudes throughout the year are known as westerlies. Statement 2. The moist air masses that cause winter rains in the northwestern region of India are part of westerlies. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 75. Year 2015. In the South Atlantic and southeastern Pacific regions in tropical latitudes, cyclones do not originate. What is the reason? Option A, sea surface temperatures are low. Option B, intertropical convergence zones seldom occurs. Option C, Coriolis force is too weak. Option D, absence of land in those regions. Question 76. Year 2017. With reference to Indian Ocean dipole, sometimes mentioned in the news while forecasting Indian monsoon, which of the following statements is or are correct? Statement 1. Audi phenomenon is characterized by a difference in sea surface temperature between tropical western Indian Ocean and tropical eastern Pacific Ocean. Statement 2. An Audi phenomenon can influence an El Niño's impact on the monsoon. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 77. Year 2018. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The Earth's magnetic field has reversed every few 100,000 years. Statement 2. When the Earth was created more than 4,000 million years ago, there was 54% oxygen and no carbon dioxide. Statement 3. When living organisms originated, they modified the early atmosphere of the Earth. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2, and 3. Question 78. Year 2019. Why are dewdrops not formed on a cloudy night? Option A. Clouds absorb the radiation released from the Earth's surface. Option B. Clouds reflect the Earth's radiation. Option C. The Earth's surface would have low temperatures on cloudy nights. Option D. Clouds deflect the blowing wind to ground level. Question 79. Year 2020. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Jet streams occur in the northern hemisphere only. Statement 2. Only some cyclones develop an eye. Statement 3. The temperature inside the eye of a cyclone is nearly 10 degrees Celsius lesser than that of the surroundings. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 2 only. Option D, 1 and 3 only. Question 80. Year 2022. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. High clouds primarily reflect solar radiation and cool the surface of the Earth. Statement 2. Low clouds have a high absorption of infrared radiation emanating from the Earth's surface and thus cause a warming effect. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Question 81. Year 2023. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The temperature contrast between continents and oceans is greater during summer than in winter. Statement 2. The specific heat of water is more than that of land surface. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? Option A. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, and Statement 2 is the correct explanation for Statement 1. Option B. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, and Statement 2 is not the correct explanation for Statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct, but Statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. Question 82. Year 2023. Option A. The total amount of insolation received at the equator is roughly about 10 times of that received at the poles. Option B. Infrared rays constitute roughly 2/3 of insolation. With reference to the Earth's atmosphere, which one of the following statements is correct? Option C. Infrared waves are largely absorbed by water vapor that is concentrated in the lower atmosphere. Option D. Infrared waves are a part of visible spectrum of electromagnetic waves of solar radiation. Question 83. Year 2024. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The atmosphere is heated more by incoming solar radiation than by terrestrial radiation. Statement 2. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are good absorbers of long-wave radiation. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? Option A. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, and Statement 2 explains Statement 1. Option B. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, but Statement 2 does not explain Statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct, but Statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. Question 84. Year 2024. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Thickness of the troposphere at the equator is much greater as compared to poles. Statement 2. At the equator, heat is transported to great heights by strong convectional currents. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? Option A. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, and Statement 2 explains Statement 1. Option B. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, but Statement 2 does not explain Statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct, but Statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct.